You know how much people got Kingston at the Canada embassy and don't get them visa? You know how much people would have glad if you got Canada right now? Anyways, Jody Ann Budick, a Jamaican resident in Canada who was in February of last year accused of defrauding a local businesswoman of more than $3 million, is now being sought by the Toronto police for another fraud-related offense. The Toronto Police Service last Friday posted a notice on their website requesting the public's assistance locating Budick, who they said is under investigation for fraud amounting to more than Canadian $5,000. According to police, it is alleged that the victim spoke with Budick about business opportunities in September of 2002. The victim placed 9 orders for goods worth more than 80. Wow. The victim placed 9 orders for goods worth more than $800,000 that were supposed to be shipped to various retail stores, but the goods were never received. The Toronto police said the 33-year-old Budick of King City is wanted for 10 counts of fraud amounting to over Canadian $5,000, 8 counts of making false statements to procure money, and 10 counts of possession of proceeds obtained by a crime exceeding Canadian $5,000. Budick formerly operated a West Indian grocery store on Western Road near Jane Street in Canada. In February this year, she appeared before Senior Parish Judge Lorianne Cole-Montag at Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on accusation of obtaining goods by fraud totaling $3.2 million. Instead of actually doing the business that you were supposed to be doing, you're out here scamming and stealing. You have a whole West Indian grocery store that people are buying from. And instead of taking the money and putting it back into your business back, you are defrauding people of their hard-earned money. Wow. The court heard that over time, Budick, under the guise of operating a West Indian store, incurred a debt of $3.2 million from the complainant by allegedly falsely representing herself as the owner of Budick West Indian Grocery Store, contrary to Section 36 of the Larceny Act. The complainant, a small business owner, reportedly extended a credit to the accused woman with the hope that the owed amount would be repaid. However, payment was not forthcoming. In response to the allegation, Budick Defense Counsel stated that upon learning of the accusation, his client promptly paid $6,000 Canadian. Budick, who was detained by police at Norman Manley International Airport upon her arrival in the country on Monday, February 5th, was reportedly pregnant and receiving treatment in Canada for a specific condition. Her defense attorney informed the court while seeking bail for his client. However, the Crown opposed bail, citing her dual citizenship as evidence of potential flight risk. And if I was a judge, I will definitely deny her bail also. She can abscond and leave the country anytime she please because she has citizenship in Canada, and if Jamaica can't extradite her from Canada, then it's going to be a problem prosecuting her. Furthermore, the investigating officer noted that additional individual has come forward to file complaints against Budick, with expectation of more cases being brought before the court. Despite the defense efforts, Judge Cole-Montag remanded Budick. It was not clear on Sunday whether Budick is still in Jamaica or is in Canada. So she defrauded people in Jamaica, pretending, and she now went to Canada defrauding people. And whole heap of we take our opportunities and take them for granted, A whole heap of we go to these places like Canada, England, and the US and squander the opportunity we have been afforded when enough people yard would be glad for the opportunities. Like this lady, Why? Why she would have do this? Why? We live in 2024. Technology is way better. People are catching on to people that do fraud and do stuff like this. So if you think you're going to get away because you have dual citizenship, you are in for a rude awakening. Scammers, do you see the amount of scammers that are being extradited from Jamaica every single day to go to the US to face charges? I don't know who thought or told her this would be a good idea for her to do, especially in the state and time that we are, but this is dumb. Anybody think that they're going to scam their way to success or fraud their way to success? You are in for a rude awakening, because between the relationships that Jamaica have with not only Canada but England and the United States, at some point you are going to get caught. At some point you are probably going to be extradited from Jamaica to those countries and serve your sentences. And one thing I will tell you about prison and jail system in these countries, they are no bed of roses. And unlike Jamaica, when your auntie and your cousin and your brother and your sister or your grandmother can send food, come give you a police station at daytime so you can have good meals to eat, still have something from home, a pay plaka you de eat. You de fight for your life every single day. Fight for your body, fight for your punani, fight for your front, your mouth, everything. Okay? And if you watch Orange is the New Black, the same way, how you see Orange is the New Black is the same way that they are in these prison institutions. So if she is really pregnant, I hope and pray that she not only reconsider this lifestyle, not only for herself, but also for the baby that she is carrying. Because this don't look good. It don't look good. It's not very cutesy. It's not demure. It's not cute at all. And the fact that she's pregnant tell me that she wasn't thinking about this baby or herself or what the future is going to look like, not only for her, but also the child she's carrying. When you're carrying a child, your life is no longer yours. It belongs to the human being that you are growing inside of you. And if you really not only defrauded someone in Jamaica, but went to Canada and defrauded more people, that means you didn't learn your lesson. That means you need to go to jail. That means you need to face the consequence and be accountable for your actions. But with that being said, Jody and Bonick, I wish you all the best. God go with you, cause me can't go with you with this one. And I wish that baby all the best that you're carrying. Until my next video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Do you know her? Have you ever bought anything from her? Have you heard of her grocery store? Have you ever had anything delivered to you from her? Because I know there's a lot of West Indian businesses that are making it big with selling Jamaican product. People in places like Canada, US, and England. And you guys know a lot of Jamaicans that live in these countries are homesick, or we can't find the items that we used to buy at home. So we don't matter how much it costs, we pay an arm and a leg. And a lot of these businesses are getting away with crimes. A lot of these businesses are stealing. A lot of these businesses are being ran by criminals. But with that being said, I'm going to end this video here, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.